Hi everyone, I just want to present to you the LandCoverViewerTool. The LandCoverViewerTool was developed to enable visualization of land cover maps which were developed for greenhouse inventory for about 6 countries in Africa, and many more are still being developed. This tool, by just changing the country, it will zoom to that country and display to you the maps for that country. As you can see, we can switch from Rwanda to Malawi to Botswana, and it has about 3 main functionalities where you can compare the maps, you can visualize the statistics, and you can be able to download the actual data that is behind these maps. The maps were developed using 2 schemes, Scheme 1 and Scheme 2. Scheme 1 has relatively few classes, about 6 of them, and Scheme 2 was had more classes, which are over 12, ranging from about 12 to 20 depending on the country specification. This tool is amazing. It uses the topmost technology for mapping, of course Esri, and as you can see here, we can be able to compare and visualize how land cover has been changing in Botswana. As you can see, this is on my left is the map for 2000, and on my right is the map for 2010, and this is Scheme 2. When you just change to Scheme 1, it automatically brings for you maps for Scheme 1. As you can see, they are very much different because the classification was different. You can also be able to download these maps by just switching to the download tab here, and you can be able to pull them down one by one and have the original maps that are running the web map services here. You can also be able to visualize the statistics. Now, the statistics were pre-computed for about mainly for 3 admin levels, where admin 1 is the country admin boundary, admin 2 is mostly either region or province depending on how the country defines them, and admin 3 is district or county, also depending on the country. Now, by just clicking on statistics, it will load for you admin 1, which is country, and when you just hover on the mouse, the statistics pop up well animated. If you change to either provinces or regions and hover over, you'll see it will show you the statistics for each province in this country. And this is statistics for Scheme 1. If you want to visualize statistics for Scheme 2, you can just switch to Scheme 2 and then click on statistics again. By just hovering over, you will see statistics for Scheme 2. By just hovering on any of the column bars, you will be able to see the percentage of that class cover in that particular country. And down here is statistics in terms of area. As you can see, here is in terms of area, and here it is in terms of percentage. We can switch to another country and also visualize statistics. Like for Rwanda, it was classified for 2010, 2000, and then 2010. Most of the countries were classified for 2 years, just 2000 and also 2010. But for Rwanda, the classification was done for 3 years. So if you load your statistics, you will be able to see that it dynamically loads statistics for 3 years, and you can hover over and see each class, how it has been changing over time. As you can see, Here, if we look at urban settlement, it has been increasing, though it is too small when you compare it relatively to the other classes. We can switch to, let's say, district. In Rwanda it is called districts, but in another country they'll be called maybe counties, for the case of Kenya or any other country. So this tool was purely JavaScript, and amazingly this is what JavaScript can do. For the graphing, another library was used, and this is HiCharts. It animates the charts, as you can see. And the amazing thing is an environmental officer can just quickly come to this tool and hover on one of the admin unit and quickly hit Ctrl P and save the map as a PDF, and they can use them either as reports for meetings, for decision making. And this is the idea behind this tool. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present to you the LandCoverViewer tool. Bye bye.